Now Kevin Coleman, he's not done quite yet. Let's watch as he continues to slow that airplane down to a crawl. This maneuver, the Harrier pass, turned it into a helicopter. How about that, ladies and gentlemen of AirVenture? Let's give it up one final time for Kevin Coleman and the incredible performance of the Extra 300 SHP. Kevin Coleman, everybody, let's hear it all the way up and down the line.
We're looking forward to it's going to be a successful, a big round Republic Thunderbolt Season Cup this spring. They're joining us from the Maryland Aeronautical Guard of the 175th Division and the 104th Fighter Squad. They'll take off roll from the left and set for the third start. They'll be back a little bit later on, but a great opportunity for us to take a look and a listen, and of course capture the A-Teams on the assembly to make their way up to the first. That's great. What variety, right, Luke? I mean, we go from, A-10s, we've got Kevin Coleman, we've seen the F-16 do an intercept, we've seen hardcore aerobatics, and we're just getting warmed up, man. This is going to be a fantastic day, all the way into tonight, so we're looking forward to it. It's going to be a great time. I know it's just making the final stretch of the cockpit, waiting for the last of our A-10s to depart. We would like to thank the 2023 Airshow season sponsors for their continued support of Super Base and Airshow's Big Red. I want to, of course, thank the team at Best Tugs for their unique remote-controlled tug that allows Suzuki altitude to 35,500 feet. It's 33 feet long, weighs 6,400 pounds, empty, has a range of 1,060 and a max speed of 343 miles an hour. Ladies and gentlemen, from the left, the Trojan Flyer. And I know these guys well. They're probably daring each other to turn the energy up right here. Let's watch and see what Chip and Robert have in store for you as they make their way back to Show Center, courtesy today of Trig Avionics. Formation loop right at Show Center, turning it into a ballroom blitz here with the Trojan Flyer. All right, ladies and gentlemen,
we are the 104th Fighter Squadron, Fight Nose from Maryland Air National Guard, and we are deployed to directly support friendly forces on the ground. Today, we're simulating a mission to support a Joint Terminal Attack Controller, or JTAC. The British rebels the first thing we do is ask for is the show of force, which can be performed as low as 75 feet. It's commonly used to let the not-so-friendly forces know.
Now, this is an airplane that is and always has been allowed to be under enemy A-10 fire, whatever, like 10 to 15 seconds.
Yeah, so with the gun, we're able to get down to, we can have multiple weapons protection by 120 seconds. With the bombs, though, obviously, bombs fight back, so we have to put that out about 30 seconds. and precision guided munitions were effective at low energy and altitude, any weather, anytime, any place. Fully loaded, the Warthog can carry a count of over 8,000 pounds of external ordnance and 1,147 rounds of 30 Mike Mike. It also specializes in combat search and rescue, air interdiction, and austere operations in forward location that no other aircraft can reach. The enemy's not giving up yet, and the JTAC's asking for us to bring out the gun, that 30mm Galloway Adventure cannon. Like I said earlier, the Hog is capable of carrying and firing 9mm
around the pattern, and you'll find that the A-10 is fairly quiet compared to other frontline military aircraft. They do General Electric turbofan engines add more than just power to its performance, but they are also smokeless and much quieter than comparable engines. That makes the aircraft much harder to hear and allows it to achieve technical surprise when attacking from all altitudes.
Exactly. So the past couple acts, you might have...
Listen to the howl of that big propeller as he swings down the line there. Hanging it out to drive. Now he lets that nose come down. Lets those wings start to fight at that ice here. Now as we watch Skip extend into the left end foot. Accelerating out rapidly. Smoke exploding off the plate. Lights it up out there off of every toe left. Confidence and captain. It is gas and it is while adhering to strict safety standards. phenomenal. Watch now as Captain Larkin speeds the aircraft. The crowd right reduces the power, slowing the Raptor down to less than 90 knots, and loads up on a high angle of attack. After the pass, you'll once again feel the raw power of the jet, as Captain Larson lights those afterburners and climbs straight into the vertical. Ladies and gentlemen, from the right, the Raptors glows. Knots to over 600 knots. Captain Larson will now roll inverted in preparation for a split S and a high-speed pass. Showcasing just a fraction of the aircraft, super cruise, and full speed capability. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare for freedom. Air Force. In 2010, the Air Force Heritage Flight Foundation joined with the United States Air Force to keep this popular program flying. From this gathering was born the Heritage Flight. It is a unique visual representation of the Air Force's history, from the days of the Army Air Corps to the present. What started out as a one-time event has grown in popularity and demand, and now Heritage Flights are performed at air shows and special events in the United States and around the world. Please turn with me now and watch as this rare formation approaches from behind to the right. Formation today is a World War II era P-51 Mustang, piloted by Mr. Bruce Doc Winters. A Korean War era A-1 Skyraider, piloted by Mr. Stuart Wilson. And the United States Air Force F-22 Raptor, piloted by Captain Samuel Raz Larson. To those who pay the highest price.
dedicate today's Heritage Flight to all military veterans and dependents whose sacrifices over the years have helped preserve America's freedom. We hope you enjoy watching this rare formation of classic